Oh, shiver me soul. It's dead wore out, I be. A mite too fast these lot-footed wenches be for the likes of an old swag-bellied pirate such as I. Now, where be that fascinating little old treasure, eh? Heave to, mateys. Say, have you set your eyes on a bewitching maiden in your travels? Oh, she be a lively lassie, she were. Oh, I tell you true, it's sore I be to hoist me colours on the likes of that shy little wench. Favour, keep a weather eye open, mateys. I be willing to share, I be.
Oh, shiver me soul. Me belly be feeling like a galleon with a load of treasure in her hold. Another swaller may well be sending me to Davy Jones. Well, maybe a bite or two more won't sink me ship. And me fine salty pork, matey. I be wanting for a fine pork loin. Maybe you can help me out a bit, eh? Oh, brush me barnacles. Now where be that little old fish dinner I been a-craving? Hope that pilfering pussycat ain't beaten me to it. Avast there, mateys. If ye been hankering for a taste of this here bird's peg leg, I be willing to share, I be.